LaptopKeyboard.com, your source for replacement laptop keyboards. Notice, the keyboard installation procedure is different for every laptop model. At LaptopKeyboard.com, we have created a searchable database of keyboard installation guides. Our database will allow you to find the exact installation guide for your laptop keyboard. Simply go to LaptopKeyboard.com. Click on the Installation Guides link, select your laptop brand, series, and model, and you'll be taken to the custom video guide for your laptop. That's all. You're now ready to install your laptop keyboard. Remove the battery from the back of the laptop. While holding the keys down, use a thin object to pry the keyboard out. We will now disconnect the keyboard cable from the motherboard. We will now install your new replacement keyboard. Align your keyboard by looking at the grooves on the bottom of your keyboard. Your keyboard is now back in place and aligned perfectly. LaptopKeyboard.com, your source for replacement laptop keyboards.